Hi and welcome to today's video. I received this package from Amazon today, which I'm gonna unbox with you. I finally got my hands on a mechanical keyboard after some research and lots of review videos. So, here's an unboxing video for you. The keyboard I got is the K2 version 2 hot swappable keyboard. In the box, you will find a few instruction papers, the user manual and the switches removal instructions. The charging cable, which is a USB-A to USB Type-C. It can be used to connect your keyboard to the computer if you don't want to use the wireless feature. Also included in the box is the keycap puller in case you need to swap your keycaps or switches. I was torn between the black and white one and this gray keyboard. I opted to go for the light gray one because I'm a big fan of the color gray and I thought that it goes very well with my desk setup. My keyboard comes with the RGB light. I thought it's fun to have and it's not too overwhelming when the office lights are on. I can barely see them. Here's a little preview of the RGB lights. It comes with 15 different light setups, which is nice to have depending on the mood. This keyboard comes with extra keycaps for Windows, but since I'm using a Mac, I don't think I'll be needing these. As I mentioned earlier, this is my first mechanical keyboard and I'll start using it right away. I might do a review a month from now and tell you how I'm doing with it. I chose the blue switches for this particular keyboard because I thought the sound of the clicky keyboard is so nice. But if I was working in an office, I will not be using this one for sure because I don't think my colleagues will be able to handle how loud it is. But since I'm working alone in my office, I'm sure I'll love the sound of it. This is the charging port, the on and off switch and the Mac and Windows switch. I can connect this keyboard with up to 3 devices. The keyboard's weight is nice and it feels premium. It's a really good quality build. It feels heavy and nice. I have the UK version of it. I'm absolutely delighted with this K2 keyboard. It is incredibly sturdy and it's exactly what I'm looking for. The clicky sound of the keyboard is so soothing to me. Here's me typing away so you can hear how the keyboard sounds with the blue Gateron switches. I'll be posting a longer keyboard typing ASMR video soon. So stay tuned for that. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more.